There's Mark taking a picture of me
Taking the picture. Picture video.
Big section.
Truth.
You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah.
I had as much time to do it. I got a couple.
Hey guys, you just want to set up camp right here?
Just amongst the rocks.
Terrain looks a little rough.
Let's try to do the most uncomfortable camping spot
I could
possible.
probably get a hammock on over there.
Just right there, in between those two pillars.
Yep.
Hey, look, Ryan, you work there, right?
Yeah.
That's a little pillar joke.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, all right. Just want to make sure.
Yep, that's it, dude. You got it.
Just want to go swimming?
No, but I'll hold the camera for you.
That'll make for really good YouTube content if I went swimming now.
It would. If you could cannonball from here.
Yeah, I think I'd die.
We're
heading left right now. Right? That is really cool, how windy that is. Yeah.
It looks like a snake.
I'm gonna call this Snake River.
Snake River.
Sort of. Wait, you don't have that on video.
Yep.
We're gonna get t-shirts printed.
Wait, what's the t-shirt?
We're the victims here.
I mean, I'm a white male. I'm a victim of everything.
Yep. Fox News.
Later, Ryan.
You could probably just walk straight across. I don't know why I did that.
Because of erosion. Where you going, bro?
That looks like a switchback to me. I'm getting my miles in.
Switch your blade, not your back. You know what? Just wanted to know that I didn't consent to being filmed.
Okay. I'll blow your face.
Can you distort my voice too?
Yep. I'll actually make you look like an entirely different person.
That's perfect.
Whoa, that's slimy. Outdoors. Fastest growing YouTube channel. Fastest growing YouTube channel by Randy Bishop. Featuring Randy Bishop, I should say.
Directed and written by Randy Bishop.
Lights on the main street, Christmas tree. Oh, she loves this routine. Oh, face lit from the
Somebody got a pocket of leaves.
Really good paper.
Alright, so water in, scoot it down there, squirt it into something else, okay? Pretty much. Yeah? That was quick.
Wow.
You know, maybe you can start it quicker next time.
I'll try, guys. I'm sorry.
Really disappointed in you.
I'm really sorry.
You blink.
I'll try a little better. A lot better than Red River Gorge, which is our last trip. Of course, when you have the proper materials.
Yeah. That was a good idea. Maybe I was a little dehydrated.
I could tell I was dehydrated towards the last couple miles of our hike. One of them things.
So you guys enjoying the fire that I started?
Yeah, we got you on video starting it.
It's pretty epic, man.
Those were my hands.
Did you get to see the blow shaft in action?
Yeah, yeah. Blow
That's the official name. The blow shaft.
Oh no, it's got to line up with the roll.
There we go. We got a roller. We got a roller.
Alright, so you turn it on and there's no stuff. Oh wow, that's not that much. That's great.
Hey Ryan, remember when I
think I
caught you on fire? Or
No.
nearly caught you on fire?
I remember when you nearly did, but I don't remember you catching me on fire.
I prefer the exaggerated version of the story where I caught you on fire.
They gotta filter the water? They're usually good.
Nope.
They're usually gooder that way.
grab it from the bucket. Yeah, I mean,
Way
if you
gooder.
have filtered water,
Way
you
more
can use
gooder.
it, but you're boiling.
From when you loosen, I said hi. How about we take a ride? To when your weeping mouth quivered dry. Make it, yeah, we just might. Hold me near till we're old and dear, 'cause you won't feel the same tomorrow night. It's a shame, but if this time was bottled up, you and I would never drink in sight. Lay your hand upon my wrist, squeeze above the knee, breathe with bliss. The dark boxes I give chase, I trace about your frame with the shape of grace. There's no mystery to me, the sun only shines and it washes your face. Don't call me the fool, when say I'm the lucky one. I may not wear my heart like you, it doesn't mean it's not open. It's still falling hard, and still have to break. It doesn't care about remarks, and it won't hesitate on mistakes.
Very easy hiking. And you get to swim in Lake Michigan if it's sunny.
Yeah, I like that.
Eating some food. Yep, I guess so. Did you guys have to go all the way to the lake?
We did. We went to the lake, filled up at the lake,
And then
came up, and then there was a
a water pump?
pump like right at the camp. Thinking maybe I need the calories from the ramen bomb, but
Little round bomb.
if you stop, it's because you want to record something.
That was a good one. I like it.
I better bring it because of the weight. It's awesome.
Try and stomp it.
Let's see about it.
My photo. Down goes the chicken.
Woo! Way to go, new Ryan.
Your dad was in an accident. I'm at the scene, he fell asleep. Dreamed about his restless head laying calmly in bed. While you rush in rain and slip on wet leaves. It's too much to see or believe. If the call was fate, I should be on my guard. Embers flying, hot black and charred. Are you sure you don't wanna talk? It's good to get it out. Cathartic tears, pathetic pals won't help these secrets of doubt. Happy times, memorable moments, flashbulbs and incandescent eyes. You say I should talk, or the cliche, go for a walk. Speaking in past tense for 1 pence a moment. Calling from glen to mountain, while cheating at grief, wallowing eyes from a thief's ducks.
Look natural. Yeah, that's natural.
The feces flank.